ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಳಸುವಂತ ಪದ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು. ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಳಸೋ ಪದ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು.
Hello friends, learn today how to use had to. It is used, it is past tense. Had to means ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಯಿತು. It is used to say past tense compulsion or past tense pressure or past tense obligation. Had to means ಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು or ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಹೋಗಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬರಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಕೇಳಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. That is had to. Friends, learn now how to make positive sentence. It is very easy, friends. First, use your subject means any pronoun or any name, singular or plural. Then use your had to. But here you must use present verb, not past verb, because had to is past form of have to. Okay. Then use your object. Then use your adverb to mention time when there was compulsion. For example, British had to quit India because Indians were fighting for freedom, right? ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷರು ಭಾರತವನ್ನು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತೊಳಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಭಾರತೀಯರು ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಹೋರಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಟೇಕ್ ಮೈ wife to hospital because she was patient or ill. Same. Next, friends, America had to kill Bin Laden, otherwise he would kill or he would continue his terror activities. Otherwise he would kill so many Americans. Friends, now my teammate will say ವಾಟ್ ಹಿ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಇನ್ ದ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ನೀವು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿ, ನೀವು ಏನನ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು.
I had to go to my uncle's house because there was marriage last month. I had to pass my SSLC exam, otherwise my father would kick me. I had to take rest last week because I was patient.
Friends, pause your TV and say what you had to do in the past. Maybe half an hour ago or 5 minutes ago or 10 years ago or 5 years ago. Say to your spoken English partner what you had to do in the past. ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ. ಅದು 5 ನಿಮಿಷದ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅರ್ಧ ಗಂಟೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 5 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, 10 ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. Practice now. Friends, learn now negative sentence. For negative sentence you have to add here did not need to. Means ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್ ವಾರ್. ಪಾಕಿಸ್ತಾನ ಕಾರ್ಗಿಲ್ ಯುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಏನಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕ್ರೈ ವೆನ್ ಮೈ ವೈಫ್ ವಾಸ್ ಇಲ್. ಶಿವರಸನ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕಿಲ್ ರಾಜೀವ್ ಗಾಂಧಿ.
I did not need to fight with my friend, but I fought. I did not need to copy in exam because I had studied.
Friends, pause your TV, say examples each other about your past not necessary activities. Friends, learn now positive yes or no question. For that, first use your did, then subject any pronoun or any name. Then you have to use your have to. After that, use your present verb. Then use your object. Then adverb if you want to mention time. Then question mark. For example, did British have to quit India?
Yes. They had to.
Yes. Next question. Did you have to go to hospital yesterday?
No, I need not.
I did not need to.
I did not need to.
Did you have to go to hospital yesterday? Okay. Next question. Did India have to get freedom?
Yes, it had to.
Yes. It had to. Friends, now pause your TV and ask questions to your teammate or your partner and practice more and more. Friends, learn now negative yes or no question. See here, this is positive yes or no question formula. Just add not here. Now it is negative yes or no question formula. For example, did you not have to go to hospital at least once in your life?
Yes, I had to go to hospital.
Yes. Meaning in Kannada, ನೀವು ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದ್ಸಲೂ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋ ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇರಲಿಲ್ವಾ? Here, say in ಕನ್ನಡ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಇದೆ ಆದರೆ ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಟು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಡಿಡ್ ಇದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಡಿಡ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಆಗಿದೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ನೋಡಿ ಮೊದಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಬಿಡಿ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಡಿಡ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಪಾಸ್ಟ್. Next example. Did British not have to divide India and Pakistan?
No.
No. They did not
have.
need to. Friends, now pause your TV. Pause your TV and ask your teammates question. Question each other and practice. Friends, learn now information question. See, you can see question formula on the board. It is very long. Don't feel bad. Friends, that is yes or no question formula. Just add question word here. That's all. Yes or no question, that is yes or no question. Positive formula, okay? For example, when did you have to go to hospital?
2 years ago.
2 years ago. Friends, you say, when did you have to go to hospital in your life? Compulsory have to go. When did you have to go? Okay, next. Why did you have to go to hospital?
Because I was very serious.
I was very serious. Because he was very serious. Okay. Why did you have to go to hospital? Okay, next example. With whom did Tipu have to fight?
British.
With British.
With British.
Friends, now pause your TV and question your spoken English partner or your family members or your friend. Ask many questions and let your partner also ask you questions. Answer each other and practice more. Friends, negative information question. It is very easy. I don't teach on the board. I say. Just use why in front of negative yes or no question, then it will become negative information question. Try yourself.